So today we're leaving Phang Na, headed to Hue? I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's just a small town, a little further south. Phang Na was cool. My issue was I feel like you could do it a lot very quickly. So we were technically 3 days here, and today we're just kind of big chilling. Yesterday, once we finished the duck stuff and the monkey bridge, we kind of were caved out, so we didn't go to Dark Cave. And we didn't really want to do all the zip lining and kayaking, all the other extra stuff, so we didn't feel like it was worth it paying the money to get in. So, but I bet in the summer, or dry season, it's super popular here, and I bet it's a lot of fun. But yeah, it's been cool. I've enjoyed actually staying at this hostel, Central Backpackers. Met some cool people. Yeah, just kind of waiting till the bus now. It also sucks that today is the day we're leaving and it hasn't rained a whole lot, so. But that's just, I guess the cards are dealt with. We didn't realize you could get a bus from Phang Na to Hue, so we had already booked a bus from Dong Hoi to Hue, so we had to take a Grab from Phang Na to Dong Hoi, which is kind of unfortunate. But yeah, so now we have to wait another, I don't know, 2 hours before our bus is here. And that's what sucks about booking everything in advance, is you're kind of stuck. I had heard stories about these buses with the 3 rows, but that's why these are $10. But you know, this trip is about experiences, and we experienced a train, and now we get to experience a normal bus. So, you know, I already said this before, I kind of like the slippers here in Vietnam.
Really?
Like,
Yeah. You don't quite put mine.
You want some durian? Yucky, yucky, yucky. Little bathroom break in a little grocery store. And now we're about to get on the way again. Hot and spicy Pringles?
Yeah.
Might be too hot for you, pal.
Might be for you.
For you, might be too hot.
Jump on top of it.
Huh?
I'm putting this down in case I have to jump on top of it, dude.
Are you that scared of it?
You better not
I'm not gonna-
if it's poisonous.
Venomous, not poisonous.
I don't know what the letters are. Alright? Dude, that thing's huge. You see it?
Yeah, it's like small. I can't see with the camera, but yeah.
Man,
No, it's
huge.
decently
I
sized.
think it's massive.
You missed! Bro, hit it!
Got it.
Oh, nice. Damn, you really got him. I thought you said you were gonna jump on top of the toilet.
I said I might have to.
Yeah, do your due diligence. I was like, bro, I just heard you fart, and I was like, what is going on? Why'd you say holy shit? Like, what just happened? And you didn't say anything. I was like, well, and then you came out looking for something. I was like, what the f*** you just like happened?
I'm not usually freaked out by spiders. That thing's massive, dude. Holy shit.
in the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us.